Hey guys, what if I told you that the key to transforming your health, it's not just in your medicine cabinet or in your workout routine, but it is around you every single day. And it is so powerful that it can literally rewire your mind. It can certainly help improve your health and it can also restore your soul. Do you have any clue what I'm talking about yet? Okay, well, this is for the healthcare professionals out there, the nurses, the healers, the healthcare warriors, the coaches, the therapists. Listen, guys, we are about to dive into one of my favorite medicines that's on the wellness side of things. We're diving deep into the science behind. My best friend in life could not even imagine being on planet Earth without it, quite frankly. It is the medicine of music. Yes, yes, yes. And why blue soul music, which is my favorite genre and a genre I created. Oh, yeah, I am a nurse with her own genre of music, might be the missing ingredient in your wellness strategy. Okay. All right. Let's get into it. Hello, everyone. I am Nurse Blue, and welcome back to my channel, Soul Health with Nurse Blue. And I'm just here to live up to my name, baby. And what that means is I'm here to build you. I'm here to love you. I'm here to unite with you because we must stick together, especially during these times. And I'm here to empower you about soul health and wellness. And so if you are a healthcare professional out there, if you are a caregiver, if you are someone who is in a nurse or a healer, I am here for you because today we're going to explore the documented research backed powerful information that I have about music and how it literally can reprogram your nervous system, reduce inflammation in your body, soothe your endocannabinoid system. And many of y'all are like, what? I didn't learn about that in nursing school. Well, keep hanging out with Nurse Blue. That's the most powerful system in your body. It's actually the chief operating officer of your body that we didn't learn about. Okay, we'll talk about that in a different video. And it also helps to create the healing environment that our souls have been craving. For many of us who work in healthcare, that would be me. All right. Many of us have been stressed out. Our souls are burnt out. We are looking for some relief. I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay, so let's talk about this whole idea that music is a medicine. Okay, all right, let's talk about the brain chemistry and neuroplasticity because that's a really important thing. That one of the most important benefits of music. Now, research from John Hopkins medicine shows that music activates every area of the brain simultaneously. So when we listen to music, our brains release a cocktail of healing chemicals. Guys, listen, all the good stuff, dopamine, all right? The feel good neurotransmitter that creates motivation and joy, music does that, okay? It elevates serotonin, our natural mood stabilizer. It also elevates oxytocin, the bonding hormone that reduces stress, our number one killer, and promotes healing. And of course, the body's endorphins, our body's natural painkillers. So, a groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Music, listen up, the Journal of Music Therapy found that patients who listen to music for just 30 minutes daily show measurable improvements in immune function within 1 week. That is so powerful. Listen, and we know that heart disease is the number one killer. So let me tell you what the American Heart Association said about music. They published some research showing that listening to music can lower blood pressure by 10 points. That's important. Reduce heart rate variability, improve circulation, people, and decrease cortisol levels by up to 25%. Let's talk about pain management and healing because pain and inflammation are huge here in the United States and probably all over the world. Here's studies from Harvard. Harvard Medical School said demonstrates that music therapy can reduce the need for pain medication by up to 50%. Harvard said this in post surgical patients. Okay, so the vibrations literally change how our nervous system processes pain signals. You understand, our bodies were hardwired for musical vibrations. I believe music is the language of the Most High God. Now, mental health and emotional regulation. Let me tell you how music benefits that. This is research from the University of Pennsylvania, guys. It says that that specific frequencies and rhythms can, get this, reduce anxiety symptoms by 65%. Think about that. How many people are having mental health crisis due to anxiety? Music does this. It improves our sleep quality. It enhances emotional processing, and it supports trauma recovery, which I've used it for a great deal of my life. Um, but let's talk about the blue soul difference. For those of you who are not familiar with the blue soul genre, well, that's Nurse Blue's curated genre. I've been curating blue soul now for over 5 years. And this is music specifically created by independent artists designed to build you, to love you, to unite us and empower you. It is the best music on planet Earth. It is by far the best music on planet Earth, which means I have some powerful playlists, one of which I'm going to share with you as a gift. Now, but let's get into the research. But here's what's I want to tell you about blue soul music. Um, Here's what most wellness programs they miss. Not all music creates the same healing response, right? Now, for many of my listeners or many of my subscribers, many of you have your favorite artists, right? If you've been listening to the same artist for 30, 40, 50 years, that music, while you might like to listen to it, you have probably extracted all of its nutritional value, okay? We're talking about new music that you've not heard before, new music that your body wants to hear, and your soul is craving good music that's made today, not 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. I'm not judging you. I listen to that music too from time to time, but you need some new music, and I got it for you, Blue Soul. Now, here's why you need Blue Soul in your life. It taps into something deeper. It does. Blue Soul carries the frequency of transformation. It acknowledges pain, right? While simultaneously offering healing. So it is a wellness solution. And its music is born from struggle, but refined into strength. You're going to love the lyrics. You're going to love the melodies. You're going to love the vibrational frequencies. You're going to love this music. All right. And it's affirmation music. So it's great. All right. And I have like over 3,000 songs, right? So I love to personally create playlists for my patients. Now, when we combine the therapeutic properties of music with the soul deep resonance of blue soul music, honey, we create what I call sonic medicine. Vibrations that don't just entertain you. This is not music that, we have music that we are entertained by, and we have music that we enjoy in different capacities, but this is not just entertaining. No, it actually recalibrates your beingness, right? So it is music that is being used as a medicinal. Now, this is why traditional wellness strategies fall short, because most health and wellness strategies, what do they focus on? Physical exercise, which is important, nutrition, sleep hygiene, stress management techniques, and tools, all kinds of tools to release stress. However, they're missing this vibrational component, music, because music is great for reprogramming your mind, is great for reprogramming your soul, and it's something you can listen to over and over and over and over again. Now, as a health and wellness coach, I have clients that might book an hour or book sessions with me, right? But when I give them a music playlist, they're able to take the modality with them, and they can use it all throughout the week, all throughout the month. And it's something they go back to over and over again because they enjoy it, right? And it's working. So your body is essentially a symphony of frequencies. And when those frequencies are out of harmony, honey, guess what? Disease manifests. So blue soul music helps tune your internal orchestra back to its natural healing frequency. And that's what's so great. Now, for my fellow nurses out there, my wellness professionals in other capacities, we know that healing happens on multiple levels. We know this, right? Physical, that's typically what we focus on in the traditional healthcare system: the physical, the measurable clinical improvements. We also, the emotional, the processing trauma, stress, and overwhelm. Usually, therapists and mental health professionals focus there. But we also have the spiritual, which we don't focus on, which is connecting to something greater, that spiritual part of ourselves that is greater than our daily struggles. But here's the thing: traditional medicine handles only the physical. Therapy addresses the mental, but what about the emotional and the spiritual? That's the void that so many of us in healthcare are feeling right now, because we're constantly giving and pouring into people feeling spiritually depleted. This is where Blue Soul music has the competitive advantage, and that's why it becomes revolutionary, because it speaks to that part of you that's carrying everybody else's pain and trauma, that part that gives until you're running on empty, and then you're in burnout mode. And that's like the caregiver's dilemma. So we spend our days healing others, but who's healing the healer? Who's healing the healer? Every nurse needs a nurse. Every doctor needs a nurse. Every coach needs a nurse. I'm here for you. Every healer needs a nurse that's a healer. And the research is clear, guys. Healthcare workers have 40% higher rates of depression, increased risk of burnout, especially during these times, because there's so many people who are sick, and there's so much pressure now in the healthcare industry. I never thought I would witness a time where there are hospitals that are literally closing, and nurses are being laid off, and other healthcare professionals are being laid out, which means it is increasing the stress in our industry, right? We have elevated stress hormones, as I just mentioned, compromised immune system, because not only are we taking care of people in the hospital, but we're also taking care of our own families. And Blue Soul offers a path back to yourself. So here's what I want to offer you. First and foremost, I have a free gift for you so you can sample the Blue Soul playlist. It's called the Blue Dose. It is a prescription for you to reset your soul right now. And it's less than 30 minutes, right? I actually gave you 7 songs and a bonus, my favorite songs. I want you to check it out. All you got to do is click the link. And if you have Spotify, make sure you download the Spotify app. There's a free version for it, but I would highly suggest get the free, go ahead and get the subscription. It's worth it. Now that you know the music is a medicine, get the prescription, the subscription. Okay. But needless to say, go ahead and listen to this. And quite frankly, men, you can listen to it, but this was really curated for women. So, but you'll enjoy it. And let me know what you think about it, please. And then after that, I want to invite you to a live wellness session with me, a live wellness party. It's a radical self-love party I created just for you. It is called the Blue Soul Massage, honey. That's when I take Blue Soul music and I massage your soul with this music through a party experience. Now, I host it on Saturday mornings on this app called Clubhouse, and it's free. So you want to make sure that you RSVP for the next session. I usually do it every Saturday unless I have to work or I have something to do with my daughter, but it is so much fun. And this isn't just listening music. This is a guided journey. I'm speaking of the Blue Soul Massage. So your nervous system gets to reset from the week and get the restoration it needs. The soul receives the nourishment it's been craving. Your purpose as a healer gets recharged and renewed. And I just want you to imagine starting your weekend not feeling depleted, not feeling burnt out, where you feel filled up, you feel toned up, and you're ready to show up as the most powerful healer you were created to be. All right. So your patients need you, your family needs you, and you need to be whole, right? So give your soul what it deserves, the reset it deserves, the self-love, the radical self-love and attention that you give everyone else. You need it now. And the science is clear, guys. Music heals. It's a prescription. Blue Soul music, the one I created for you, I have over 3,000 songs. Blue Soul music transforms. So join me this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And even if you are not in the healthcare industry and you're paying attention to this, come and join us. So much fun. Let's reprogram your soul together. hit the subscribe button. I forgot to hit the subscribe button if you're coming in for the very first time. And if you're back, thank you. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you resonate with this. And I just want all of y'all to know you can't pour from an empty cup. Okay. So it's time to fill it back up. So I want to see you Saturday, but also listen, I'd love to hear what kind of music fills your soul. You know, who's your favorite artist? Drop a comment below. Let me know what's one way music has impacted your journey. And whether it's from healing, from something, or you just have a favorite artist that when you listen to them, they just light you up. I want to hear what you guys are listening to. Okay, well, I got to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning because I got to go and do my nursing job and serve people in this capacity. But I wanted to jump on here and invite you guys to experience the power of musical medicine. And also, I can't wait to see you this Saturday. Y'all better come to this party on Clubhouse. It's so much fun. Okay. All right. That's it for now. Don't forget, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hey guys, what if I told you that the key to transforming your health, it's not just in your medicine cabinet or in your workout routine, but it is around you every single day. And it is so powerful that it can literally rewire your mind. It can certainly help improve your health, and it can also restore your soul. Do you have any clue what I'm talking about yet? Okay, well, this is for the healthcare professionals out there, the nurses, the healers, the healthcare warriors, the coaches, the therapists. Listen, guys, we are about to dive into one of my favorite medicines that's on the wellness side of things. We're diving deep into the science behind my best friend in life could not even imagine